in this video I'm going to show you how to reset camera default settings on iPhone. So if you've made some personal configuration to your iPhone camera and you want to reset the camera to the default settings, there are a few steps you need to take. So this will reset every settings you must have made on your iPhone, or your personal configuration would be deleted. So if you're in for this, let's go ahead now and see how you can easily reset your iPhone camera settings to the default on iPhone 12 Pro Max. So this works on iPhone 11, iPhone 12, iPhone 13, iPhone 14, and even iPhone 15 Pro Max. It's worth noting that there is no action button to reset or restore iPhone camera settings to default, but there is a way around this. You need to reset all settings on your iPhone if you ever want to reset your iPhone camera. This won't tamper with any of your personal configuration, and this won't erase your phone, but it will only erase some personal configuration you've made, which you can easily configure later, like your iPhone password, like your Wi-Fi password, hotspot password, and things like that. It will also rearrange your iPhone home settings, but this will not in any way reset your iPhone to the default. Your Apple ID will still remain. You should be able to use your payment method that you had to your Apple ID. Now, to go ahead now and reset your iPhone camera to the default settings, what you need to do, click on the settings app on your iPhone, scroll down and click on general. Once you tap that, click on iPhone, scroll down and click on reset transfer or reset iPhone. Now tap reset, click on reset all. Resetting all will reset your network settings. We also reset your keyboard dictionary, reset your home screen, and reset location and privacy settings. Then click on reset all. Once you tap reset all, you'll be prompted to type in your iPhone passcode. Then go ahead now and type in your iPhone passcode. Once you click on that, confirm your iPhone screen time. If you're using screen time, then there you go. Then tap reset all. From the pop-up, resetting all will reset everything that has to do with your iPhone, including your iPhone camera settings. It will reset them to the default, your passcode, your home screen, location, and privacy, and then the rest of them. Then tap reset all. Once you hit the reset all, tap reset all again. There you go. And your iPhone will boot into the restart mode. Just hang on for a couple of seconds for your iPhone to erase all your personal settings, and including your iPhone camera default settings. Now your iPhone will restart itself. Once the reset is completed, just hang on for this to complete as well. Once the process is completed, then you'll be prompted to log into your iPhone. There you go. Turn on iMessage, then go to your settings. You can see I have my iPhone ID account active. Then I have other settings available. Let me go ahead and check my photos. You can see I have my photos available. Everything I have inked at. So I have my library, everything are inked at. Now if you go to the iPhone camera you reset, you'll discover that you'll be prompted to set up your iPhone camera new. Then tap turn on location service to allow camera to determine your location. You may do that. You can see this is more like a new iPhone camera you've not used before. So this is exactly how to reset your iPhone camera to the default settings. If you find this really interesting and it is helpful, you want to smash the like button and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.